Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, before starting the presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Aulia Lutfi Dewi Pramesta. I'm from University Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Here I will tell you about increasing reading interest through Sajaba program for elementary school students. Okay, I will tell you the problem formulation. First, low interest in reading among elementary school students. Second, primary school students lack of the literacy skills. I have research purpose. I have 3 points. First, this study aims to determine the contribution of the Sajaba program to increasing student interest in reading. Second, describing student interest in reading. And the last, describing the results of the implementation of the Sajaba program. Here, I have literature review. This is from Karismi and Al Muslim 2015. The literacy skills of Indonesian society in general are low, especially in terms of reading literacy. Second, this is from Kurniawati 2022. She said the quality of education in Indonesia is quite low when compared to other countries in the world. And the third, this is from Irianto and Fabrianti 2017. In instilling literacy as early as possible, educators must realize that it is the mind capital in realizing a smart and cultured nation. And the last, this is from Rahim and Rahmawati 2020. They are said, reading interest can be interpreted as a drive that makes a person interest, enjoy, and focus on reading activities so that they do it voluntarily and with great happiness, and many others literates. Okay, next, this is research methods. An analysis of the contribution of the Sajaba program at Primary elementary school third Kudi to students' interest in reading can be conducted using the Kirkpatrick model. This model is relevant for obtaining comprehensive data about a program because it is able to analyze and evaluate its effective. In addition, to obtain more in-depth information, I conducted interviews with the principal and class teachers to ensure the accuracy of the data. I also conducted field observation. Okay, the Kirkpatrick methods has four stages. First, reaction stage. The research will measure students' response to the Sajaba program, including their satisfaction and enthusiasm when participating in reading activities. And next, the step is learning stage. The researcher will evaluate the improvement of student reading, knowledge, and skills through pre-test and post-test. And next step is behavior stage. This observation will be made to assess change in students' behavior in reading, both at school and at home. And the last is outcome stage. Analysis will be conducted to measure the long-term impact of the program on students interested in reading by considering the frequency and quality of their reading activities after the program. With this approach, the research is expected to provide a clear picture of the effectiveness of the program in improving reading interest at primary elementary school third Kudi. However, during the research, several problems arose, such as the lack of enthusiasm for reading among students, which requires motivation from the surrounding environment. In addition, the lack of resources relate to school library management due to the shortage of educators as librarians became an obstacle. Resources only obtain information from the principal and class teachers. However, these obstacles can be overcome thanks to strong support from the school and effective strategies in program implementation. Okay, this is the introduction. Along with the rapid progress of the times, we can observe the development of science and technology, which continues to be launched and developed. The more innovations that are produced, the higher the competitive. A country can be considered advanced if its population can adapt to the developments that occur. Adaptation to technology and innovation can be done through reading of literacy. Literacy includes more than just reading. It also means understanding, analyzing, and reflecting on the content. However, in addition to the lack of the literacy skills in society, interest in reading also tends to be low. If students don't have an interest in reading, this will result in low literacy skills in Indonesia. The rapid advancement of technology has caused negative impacts, including children's low interest in literacy and gadget addiction. In response to this, the government launched the School Literacy Movement or GLS through the Ministry of Education and Culture. This movement aims to make schools a literate community with community support so that school members can understand and reflect on reading in their daily lives. Literacy activities include not only reading and writing, but also the ability to find information from reading or listening. To increase students' interest in reading and literacy skills, primary elementary school third Kurdi developed the Sajaba program. This program aims to create a fun and consistent reading routine among primary school students. In this activity, students are encouraged to spend time reading different types of books. Researchers hope this program can form positive habits that will benefit students' academic and personal development in the future. This is result and discussion. Based on the results of interview with the principal and homeroom teachers of grades 5th and 6th, the implementation of the Sajaba program at Primary Elementary School 3rd Kudi has been running well and has become one of the priorities in school policy. This program includes reading activities for 10 until 15 minutes before learning, which aims to familiarize students with reading activities. Despite the program, there are still challenges faced, especially for lower grade students who are not yet fluent readers. One of the reasons students have difficulty reading is due to their low intelligence. The result is first student reading pleasure. This is the diagram. And in this research activity, the researcher conducted observation to strengthen data collection by using instruments that included several assessment categories. This data collection was conducted after students completed a project related to reading enjoyment. Some of the category assets include reading a book on your own terms, feeling good when reading books, enjoy reading storybook, enjoy reading comics. However, in reality, there are several factors that influence students not to read books, such as students who still like to play, students' low level of awareness, lack of parental rules, and influence from peers. And second, frequency of reading books. And this is the diagram. In addition to the pleasure of reading, researchers also observed the frequency of students when reading books. Reading frequency can be seen from several aspects, such as take time to read a book, reading a book during break time or waiting for the teacher, and reading a book when at home. The results show that the majority of students spend more time reading books. This has a positive effect when students are in the classroom as they tend to be more active and have a larger vocabulary. Thus, a high frequency of reading can support student academic development and overall literacy skill. And third, awareness of the benefits of reading books. And this is the diagram. To increase students' interest in reading at primary elementary school third Budi, awareness of the benefits of reading is an important focus. Positive indicators include feeling lost when not reading a book one day, recording the main points of the reading, and learn something new after reading a book. From the previous categories, this category still needs a supportive solution to raise awareness of the importance of reading for students because the challenge is on gadgets. They prefer to play gadgets rather than reading books. Okay, this is the library primary elementary school third Kudi. The library plays an important role as a support for student learning and plays to increase knowledge for the learning activities. However, activities in the library are still incidental and not routine. To increase interest in reading, the principal suggests breakthroughs such organizing reading competition tailored to student abilities. This initiative can motivate students to read more and create a healthy competitive atmosphere. However, the library layout is not fully optimized. Various efforts need to be made to improve the quality of the library layout to better support students' reading activities. And the conclusion, based on the results of the research and data analysis, the Sajaba program contributes significantly to increasing students' interest in reading at primary elementary school third Kudi. The results show that student reading interest was in the good category, with a sense of pleasure in reading that began to be embedded both inside and outside of class hours. The high enthusiasm of students in reading activities, the pleasure of reading books independently, and an increased awareness of the importance of reading are positive indicators. An increase in the frequency or variety of books read shows that students are not only reading out of obligation, but also out of personal interest. Supporting environments such as libraries and reading corners play an important role in strengthening students' interest in reading. Therefore, it can be concluded that the Sajaba program successfully increased students' interest in reading and contribute to their literacy development. The researcher hopes that this program can be further optimized to have a positive impact on students. Suggestions and recommendations include conducting a comparative study with other reading programs to determine the most effective method and conducting a long-term evaluation of the impact of the Sajaba program on students' academic performance. Okay, thank you very much for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.